Okay, we have two more kind of formulas here we're going to do. These are similar to the ones we just did, but here, this one is going to be E times the whole thing, E plus F, equals G on the outside times G plus H. So on these, it's the outside times the whole thing. So you might think about it like that. It's the outside times the whole line equals the outside on the other part times the whole line. And then this one is basically the same thing, except this one is tangent, so it only has one part over here. So it starts off the same as this one, E plus F, and then it's just equal to K squared. So those are our formulas we're going to be using. So this one, you have to do the outside part first, 4, then 4 plus x, that's this whole thing is 4 plus x, equals 3, and then 3 plus 5. Now this side over here, I'm going to leave it alone, and this side over here is just 3 times 8. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 4 just like I did previously, and I have 4 plus x equals 6 minus 4, and I get x is 2. The next one, this is one like this, so on this side I have 4, and then 4 plus x for the whole thing, equals 6 squared, and I can just go ahead and divide by 4 here. 4 plus x equals 36 divided by 4 is 9, minus 4, and we get x is 5. Now this one, we have a little bit of an expression here, but it's still the same thing, 8. Then 8 plus x plus 9, both of those added together, equals 9 plus 9 plus 15, which is 24. Divide both sides by this 8 to get rid of it. Over here I have x plus 17. And I plug that in my calculator and I get 27. Minus 17, and I get x equals 10. This one is like this kind again. 12, and then 12 plus x plus 9 equals 18 squared. Go ahead and divide by the 12 to get rid of it, that 12. And this is 12 plus 9 is 21 plus x equals 27, then minus 21, and we get x is 6. Okay, so in this kind, you're going to have to be a little careful when you start to write it down. So I've got 5, and then the whole thing will be 5 plus 2x plus 1 equals 6, and then 6 plus 1 plus x. And I'm going to have to distribute, but I'm going to combine like terms first because it's kind of a mess. 2x plus 6, and 6, and x plus 7. That looks better already. Now I need to distribute. 10x plus 30 equals 6x plus 42 minus the 6x. We get 4x plus 30 equals 42 minus the 30. 4x equals 12. Divide by 4, and you get x equals 3. And finally, our last problem over here, this is the same kind we've been doing up here, so I'm going to have 18 times 18 plus 3x plus 5 equals 30 squared. Now because this is just has a number on this side, I can go ahead and divide by the 18 on both sides to cancel that, and I'm going to combine like terms. 3x plus 23 equals 50 minus 23. 3x equals 27, x equals 9.